Save over $1,000, one price, 2 fabulous and life-changing workshops. Book your place on the in-person photo reading accelerated learning workshop with Marilyn Devonish and get the full 3-day online on-demand video webinar workshop for free. This means you can get started as soon as today and refer back to the online course to deepen your learning and refresh your skills whenever you choose to, from anywhere in the world. Whether you are looking to sharpen your brain, improve your memory, critical thinking, decision-making skills, creativity, public speaking skills, or looking for simple yet powerful ways to deal with confusion and overwhelm and activate and access the flow state within minutes, this workshop is for you. This amazing 2-for-1 offer ends soon. See the accompanying video description for details and the booking link. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, has been a certified photo reading instructor since March 2002. She completed her training with Dr. Paul Sheely, the creator of the photo reading whole mind system. Having been diagnosed with what presented as early onset Alzheimer's in her 20s, Marilyn decided to take a look at photo reading out of sheer desperation. The rest, as they say, is history. After years of struggling with her memory, recall, and concentration, she noticed dramatic improvements in her cognitive abilities within days. We are not making any healing claims, simply sharing what happened for Marilyn and the thousands of people she has introduced to this incredible and easy-to-implement 5-step system. Sign up today and experience the transformational power of photo reading for yourself. Main website, transformationstm.com/photo reading.